Hi guys, welcome to Tech Geek. So in today's video that is about the Java interview questions, the most important and most asked question which I have seen in various interviews like you can say Wipro, MX that is American Express, IBM, and most importantly Josh Technology, that this question was asked in the interview round. That was about when basics were being asked. So this is something you need to know. Now talking about Java, so this is the use of super keywords. So where and how is the super used? This is a very common question that they get to. They even ask you, they actually want to know whether you're aware of the basic concepts or not. So this is what you need to show them, like you know the basics, because the very important thing the interviewer would judge is about basics and your knowledge, not just how you code. It's always about the core knowledge too. So if you talk about the super keyword, now what does the super keyword does or why it is used? So it is used to access the hidden files and the overridden methods or attributes of the parent class. From the child class, if you want to access some overridden methods or attributes, you'll use the super keyword just to specify whether that particular method or that particular attribute is the one which is belonging to the parent class and not from the child class. So super, as you can say, superior. So the super method we are referring to. Now, super is being used in three cases. Okay, they're the following cases. We can see what the cases here. The very first case is accessing data members of the parent class when the member names of the class and its child classes are same. Now, this is actually talking about when you have two different classes and inheritance is being done. So that means one class is extending another class, parent class and the child class. Both of these classes are having the same data members. Let's say we have int a in both the cases. Now, we need to use the value, or you can say the data member belonging to the parent class. So we'll use the super keyword with it. Okay, so that is super dot a. Okay, now talking about the second case, to call the default and parameterized constructor of the parent class. Now if we want to call the parameterized constructor, we have the default constructors too for that particular class inside the child class. Now again, you need to specify that child class or the parent class, which particular class are we referring to. So we'll use the super. Now third one is the second one, I'll show you in the next slide too. Now third one is accessing the parent class methods. Again, this is about overriding when both the classes you have the same member functions. Okay, you need to check whether which particular member function are you referring to. So for the one which you are referring to the parent class, it should be with the word super. Let's see. Now we have three. You can see the very first super keyword. It can be used to refer to the immediate parent class. Now we can say there are multi-level to. Now in that case, how can we specify like which particular parent class? So just above, there's a just immediate parent class. Okay. Now super, again it can be used to invoke methods from the parent class. Now this second case is in the case of overriding. Now you can see there's super, and that's kind of a, you can say, method being invoked. So this is the one that is used for constructors. Okay, so sorry, yeah, this is the one that is used for constructors. Okay, so it is used to invoke the immediate, okay, immediate parent class constructors. So please be careful. This one is somewhat asked because people do forget that it can be used with constructors too, because you are aware of data members, you are aware of instance variables, you are aware of methods, but for the case of constructors, many people are not sure about it. So please keep that in mind. I hope this question was clear. In case you have any queries, anything you want to know about any hiring, please let me know. Comment in the section, comment in the comment box, and yeah, talking about the Excel sheet, which many people have asked me to share the Excel sheet for hashed in the Excel sheet for Josh Technologies. I would actually request you all to please share your email IDs in the comment box if you want that Excel sheet, or you want me to share it in a particular uploading it somewhere or sharing the link itself, then do let me know in the comment box. Thank you. Keep following Tech Geek.